Hey guys, welcome to the first project update on the LS2 Mustang build. There's a lot more detailed videos on some of these items. If you want to check them out, just go to my channel and enjoy. So I started by painting this car over the summer in my garage. It took me a couple months, but it only really cost me $1,500. I then went through the painstaking process of wet sanding and polishing it, and honestly it turned out really good for a backyard job. I'm super stoked with it. After that, I had to tackle the interior. It had these ugly sports seats, but was actually in pretty good condition and completely stock. So because I'm running AC, I started by ripping out the heater box, putting in a new AC condenser and heater core because I don't want to have to do that later when the interior is better assembled. I got a really good deal on these black tweed front and rear seats. So I cleaned them up and threw them in. I'm going for 100% stock interior in this car, like right down to the tape deck. I don't want anyone to see that it's not a stock Mustang when they look inside. I was even able to shampoo out the stock trunk carpet, which also turned out really nice. Next up, I got this LFA engine. I scrapped the original 4.8 I have. This LFA is pretty much LS2. So I put a mild sloppy stage 2 cam in it, hoping for maybe 400 wheel or so. It's going to be a blast in this thing with the 410 gears. Next up, I tucked the body harness. I also added a couple relays for the fuel pump and the electric fan. So this car is totally ready for the Holley Terminator X, which is going into it now, which I'll get to soon. I was also able to retain some wiring for the stock gauges, so I'll use the stock oil pressure and coolant temp sensors. I'll just wire them into the locations on the engine. I'll have those working as well. So one of my favorite things on this car, I got these 93 Cobra wheels off LMR. I absolutely love the look of them. I don't see them that often, and I think they suit this car really well. I also upgraded the brakes. They're pretty much stock. I've got the StopTech powder coated rotors here as well as Hawk pads, so it should stop better than factory. It's pretty light, so I hope they do the job. My next step is getting this beast of a transmission in. This is a 4L80E, and after that I'm going to start wiring the computer and then getting onto the little stuff like exhaust, cooling system, and fuel system, which I'll provide more videos on. Let me know what you guys think of this series. If there's something you want to see more detail of, less detail of, tired of my rambling. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.